What's for lunch? We're gonna do some shaved beef. And we're doing it inside the van because it's just too, well, the wind stopped now, but I'm telling you, it was super windy and it was blowing sand everywhere. So we're gonna have lunch in here. Why not? I'm comfortable. Got a little stool that I'm sitting on. You can't see it. I've got my mini table, which is just a thing of bags, and my cooler, bag of stuff, and we're good to go. So why not? Let's I got some cheese for the top of it as well. We're just gonna grill this up and have a yummy lunch. There it goes. Fun, fun, fun. Ah, look at that. A nice, delicious steak sandwich. Some banana peppers on top. Fresh romaine, so I'll get my greens in for lunch. Melted cheese over the top, and that's what that went in. A little mess, gotta clean that up later, but not a big deal. Everything's back in the cooler, and I'm a happy guy. Bye-bye, time to munch.